Hi guys, welcome back to Study Room. So, as we have discussed the chapter number 3 and now we will quickly do its brief revision, means cover up all the topics that we have discussed in the chapter. Okay, first we understand as the name of the chapter is drainage, so we understand what is a drainage system. Okay, drainage system is a river and its tributaries. The path that is followed by a river and its tributaries is called river system or drainage system. Okay, it's almost same. Now, what is drainage pattern? Drainage pattern is the pattern followed by a river in drainage basin, depending upon what kind of physical or geographical conditions are there. Is it a slope of land, rock structure, also any other climatic condition? Okay, so that is a drainage pattern, means what pattern is followed by a river and its tributaries. Okay, next we study about perennial rivers. Okay, perennial rivers are basically Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers are perennial rivers because they have water throughout the year. Okay, so they majorly never have scarcity of water. Then we study about seasonal rivers. Peninsular rivers are seasonal rivers. Why? Because their source of water depends upon the rainfall and the other flow. Okay, so during the dry season, the large river reduce flow of water in case of peninsular rivers. So whenever there is a dry season, the rivers in the peninsular rivers which are present in the Western Ghats, these rivers dried out. Okay, these the rivers, the flow of water reduce. Okay, for example, these are Mahanadi, Godavari, and Narmada. Then we understand about what is delta. A delta is formed by river Ganga and Brahmaputra, and this is the largest delta of the world. This is known as Sundarban Delta. The Sundarban Delta is the region where these, for example, Brahmaputra is coming from this side and Ganga is coming from this side. So this whole area is called delta. Okay, so Sundarban Delta is the largest delta in the world. Next, about Himalayan river system. So in Himalayan river system, we studied about three rivers: Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra majorly. And peninsular river system, we studied about Godavari, Narmada, Tapi, Krishna, Mahanadi, and Kaveri. Okay, among these, Narmada and Tapi flows towards the western sides and merge into the Arabian Sea. And Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, and Kaveri flows into the eastern sides and merge into Bay of Bengal. Okay, peninsular rivers mainly drain into Bay of Bengal, and exceptions are Narmada, Tapi, which flow to the westwards and flows in Arabian Sea. Okay, right. Next is we studied about lakes. Okay, apart from rivers, we studied majorly another source of water, very important, which are lakes. Okay, lake help to regulate river water. It prevent flooding and it develop hydropower, moderate climate, maintain aquatic life, and also have provide a constant supply of water in dry season or in summer season. Okay. Now, quality of water, we now discussed about problems. Okay, problems and in terms of pollution. Okay, now what are the problems that our water resources are facing? Quality of river is affecting due to the growing domestic, municipal, industrial, agriculture demands. Okay, so growth, so the demands of in these sector are going rapidly, due to which the quality of river is affecting and the quantity is also affecting. Okay, this is also done by human actions, like for example mismanagement of industrial waste, dumping of waste in the water. Okay, so these are some major problems that we are facing. So overall, this was the sum up of what we have done in the chapter. This is a very important chapter to understand about the water bodies and water sources, and what steps now that we have to take for a sustainable development. I hope you understand the chapter. I will see you all in the next video with another chapter. All right, bye. Take care.